So as promised, I am going to show you the video of how to dilute the amazing Thieves Dish Soap. Now you could use it straight, there's nothing wrong with that, but if you want to stretch it a little bit further, it already is really concentrated. So I'm actually going to split it into thirds, and I'll also be able to have one upstairs, one downstairs, and back up and everything. But I don't know if I already told you before, I have this one that's a liquid dispenser. I have a different style upstairs. It's also another liquid dispenser, and then I have a couple of foaming ones as well. So if I'm doing liquid, I dilute it into thirds, and if I'm doing a foaming pump, I'll actually dilute it into quarters. So there is more water to that one. But today we're gonna do thirds for a liquid dispenser, or I use it for hand soap, I use it for dish soap. It's just, I use it for absolutely everything, just like I use Thieves for everything. So you're gonna take your 12-ounce bottle of the dish soap and split it into thirds. So I'm gonna use this bottle. I'm gonna use a bottle that I already had that was empty, that I write diluted on the bottom, and I just have a glass mason jar. So both of these have already had the soap in it before. So those two and my glass. So split it into thirds, and then we're gonna add a teaspoon, goodness, the lighting, okay, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And I just keep mine in like a airtight Tupperware jar, because this bad boy is a little ridiculous if I want a teaspoon of baking soda. So my little jar, and I'm just gonna add 1 teaspoon in there. Let's see. I'm just gonna show you this one right now, but I do the same thing with the others as well. And then I'm also gonna add 8 ounces of distilled water, and I did heat this up already. You're gonna want it not boiling, but you're gonna want it pretty hot to mix with the soap, so it'll actually combine with the gel. So, and I just kind of swirl. I don't really want to like make it bubbly or anything, but, and that was literally just distilled water. You don't want to use hot tap water or county water or well water or whatever you have, because there could be bacteria in that, and you won't see it immediately. So if you use it really fast, you wouldn't have too much of a problem, but it has bacteria in it basically. You don't want that in your soap. So there you have it. And it still has, I mean, yes, it is diluted, but it still has like a gel quality to it, if that makes sense. So as you can see, the soap is definitely a lot more bubbles than if you didn't add the baking soda, but that's what helps give it the bubbles. So there you have it. We have the diluted dish soap, and I'm just gonna save these two down underneath the sink for later. Actually, one I'm gonna make now and bring it upstairs to fill up my other dispensers. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. See you next time. Bye.